Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is just a very chill day in my life. I'm gonna do some cleaning and just cook dinner later. Very chill vibes today. As you can tell, I'm very cozy. And before we get into cleaning in this vlog, really quickly wanted to show you a few really cute pieces that I got from White Fox. I've been loving White Fox recently. I've actually never had anything from White Fox before, so I was so excited to be working with them on this video. Thank you, White Fox, for partnering with me today. I've literally worn this sweatshirt that I'm wearing today so many times, like every other day. I have worn it and I love it. It's so cozy. It fits just exactly how I would want a sweater to fit. I love it so much. So I'm going to give you guys a little haul of everything else I got. I got a ton of sweats for this fall winter season because that's just my favorite kind of clothing in general. It's just comfy clothes. And then I also got some other cute casual comfy items that I'm going to show you guys. I have a code for you guys. It's Olivia CWF for 15% off site-wide, including White Fox swim and activewear, but excluding collaborations on White Fox. But I'll have the code here with everything linked down below that I show you in this video, along with their website. So White Fox offers Afterpay to US, Australian, and New Zealand customers. There is express worldwide shipping. White Fox has it all. They're an incredible brand. They have affordable pieces, the comfiest like loungewear I have ever, or well, not really loungewear, but activewear I have ever owned. I live in all of these sweaters and sweatshirts. They're the best. So yeah, I'll have everything linked down below that I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to do a little try on for you guys. So yeah, starting out with this piece that I've worn like every single day. It's just this gray half zip sweatshirt and it's the coziest thing ever. Everything that I got is either a small medium or medium large. This one I'm pretty sure is a small medium and it's still a perfect oversized fit. It's so comfortable. I love the length. Everything about it is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the try on part. I'm so excited for these pieces. I have literally worn White Fox like every single day of the week. So let's get into the try on. Okay, so first set I got is this really cute pale yellow and royal blue set sweatshirt and shorts. I love these sweatshorts. They fit so good. They're a good length. They're not like tight, which I found some other brands kind of fit tight and that's just like weird and uncomfortable. Very oversized and comfy, just how I like it. Literally the coziest material on the inside of these sweatshirts. I cannot get enough. They're the best. So this one is so cute. I've already worn this one as well. So I wore this whole set the other day and I just love it. Okay, another set with shorts and a sweatshirt that I'm obsessed with and I've already worn so many times. Clearly I'm obsessed with the color as well because I got sweatpants and a hoodie in this same color so I can mix and match with all of it. I just love this color. It's like taupey gray called Lunar and I bought every style in this color. So obsessed, so comfy, so cute. I'll go ahead and try on this as a set as well to just show you guys what the sweatpants look like. Okay, here is the hoodie and sweatpants. These sweatpants are perfect. I have the hardest time finding the perfect combination of length and bagginess with sweatpants, but White Fox did it again. They have the best fitting, cozy sweats. Just everything about them are perfect. This sweatshirt's so cute and so cozy. And again, this color, Lunar, is probably my favorite. I'm obsessed with it. So here are these. So cute and cozy. I can't wait till it's actually cold outside and I can just like snuggle up in these. Okay, next I have this hoodie on, which I love this tone of gray. It's so pretty, so oversized, so cozy. I actually have like a romper under this, which I'll show you with some pieces I got to pair with it. I went off all the sweats, but again, another one that I love so much. It's just so comfortable. I wish you could feel it through the screen. Trust me, guys, so comfy. I am obsessed. This is like all I wear and it's literally the best. so comfy. Okay, last hoodie sweat of this haul is this dark gray white fox, very sleek and simple hoodie. It's got a pocket, it's got the hood. It's very comfy and very cute. It's such a nice like thick material, which I love when it comes to sweatshirts and hoodies. So this is perfect. I actually really love the fit of this. It's just such, they all just fit and fall exactly how you would want them to, or at least how I want them to. So I love them. So next we have the little jumper, the little romper, which I think is such a cute trend. It's a little out of my comfort zone, but I think this is really cute. Got these like linen shirts to use as a little cover up because, like I said, a little out of my comfort zone, but I think it's really cute with this button up shirt over it. It's just like, I got two of these, this like brown color, and then I got like a lighter tan I'll show you with, I actually got a black jumper as well, but I think this is such a cute trend. These ones are a little bit shorter. I've seen longer ones, but super cute. I'm always down to try some new looks, and I think this is pretty cute. Okay, so this is like basically the same outfit, different color, and I'm obsessed. This is a black romper, and I love the material of this one. It's like a ribbed, here, I'm gonna try to show you. Like a ribbed knit material. It's so stretchy and so freaking comfortable. And then same as the last one, kind of a linen button shirt that I think is so cute. I think this is such a cute outfit for fall, especially since I live in Florida and it's not that cold. It's very like airy, but the colors and everything are really cute. Okay, I have one more item after this, but I got this white fox tee, and I love t-shirts, and this fit is just perfect. It's oversized. It's the perfect length. It's super cute. It's like a light yellow with a little logo on it and on the back, which is really cute. Like I said, I'm a huge t-shirt girl, and this one is just perfect with literally anything for just a casual little outfit. Love. It's either sweats or t-shirts with me, and so white fox is just my jam. And again, I just have the jumper under it, but yeah, super cute. Okay, last piece I decided to grab from White Fox is this midi dress. It's just blacked, and it's kind of a ribbed material. It is such nice quality. It really holds you in, which I love, especially since it is a fitted dress. So I love that. I love the neckline on it, and just the shape overall is so nice. It's this slit on the side, which I love, and it's just super cute. Everyone needs a black dress, and I don't think I had one, so this was such a perfect pick. I just really love everything that I got from White Fox. It's all so cute. I'll have everything linked down below, like I said. And yeah, thank you so much, White Fox, for partnering with me on today's video. Okay, so Halloween is next week, and I went shopping today to get buckets and other stuff. I've been buying so much Christmas decor sheets that I found. I'm gonna put them on the guest bed, but they're literally like wiener dogs, Christmas wiener dogs. Had to. I went shopping a little bit today, and I got some things to do. Put our Halloween candy in for the trick-or-treaters. I got these bins because we had nothing, so I figured I'd get those. So I'm gonna decorate them because I bought some stickers to decorate these bins to put the candy in, because we have so much Halloween candy. Obviously, we just like moved into our first house not that long ago, and so we've never had holidays here, but apparently there's a lot of trick-or-treaters in this neighborhood. So we shall see. We bought tons of candy. Everyone says you'll never have enough, so I don't really know, but I'm gonna put the little I got some big full-size bars, the candies, and then little candies, so I'm gonna put little stuff in here. But I figured I'd decorate the bins. Okay, see, look how cute. Little stickers. Cute. Okay, I feel like I'm not gonna decorate all the way around because we'll just have it facing out this way. Look Hopefully it focuses. I can't tell because I'm covering my face with it, but isn't it cute? I think it's cute. Let's fill it with candy and see what it looks like. I've got candy, lots of it. Oh my goodness. So much candy. I've already opened some of this, but I'm just gonna start pouring it in. Tiniest pack ever of gummy bears. Those are so cute. They're so tiny. I love these. I'm gonna eat all the candy before Halloween comes, but I'm still gonna try to put all of these in here. I'm making this so full. And this is not enough candy. That's ridiculous. Bit of candy going in. Buying more candy than this, so okay. It's not cheap. So I feel like I've done pretty good, but okay. The finished product. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Cute. Okay, here it is. The finished product. You can even hardly see the stickers now. Now we have a little bin for all the little, where should I put this? This little bin for the big bars, because we're gonna give out the big bars till we run out, and then it's the little candies. So hopefully no one spreads the word and is like, that house has big candy bars, when they all come and they're already gone. Sorry, kids. Little guy is decorated pretty cute. It's way smaller than the other ones, so I had to like cram the stickers on. I'm gonna get the big bars. Got candy! Oh, just like squished my finger. Busted into the Skittles. There's no more sour ones. That's okay though. Okay, so it's the next day. My SD card ran out of storage when I was filming, doing the candy, but here it all is, updated. My little bucket with all the little candy, and then the little bucket with all of the big candy bars. And we have tons of extra big candy bars for whenever this starts to run low, because it didn't fit very much because it's a very shallow, like, little container. And then I found these really cute trick-or-treat packs for dogs, if anyone has their dog while trick-or-treating. Milk bones and pepperonis. So cute. So we're all ready for Halloween. It's still for, I mean, not for a few days, so this will just sit in here, but it's finally out of the way in the bags. But we got plenty of candy, I think. I hope. I don't know. I'll keep you updated on my like Instagram or something, but there's that. So now I'm gonna spend the next hour or so just kind of straightening up the house, cleaning the kitchen, living room, all that good stuff, getting everything in order and just like organized and looking just put together, because Oakley tears up our living room every single day. Every night he finds a toy and just completely destroys it, where there's fuzz and everything everywhere. So I'm gonna clean up now and just do a little cleaning montage.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. And you're crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my
Okay, main area of the house is straightened up, looking a lot better. Really quickly, I'm gonna run over to get Oakley's nails clipped. I gotta get them ready. Drive over there, get the nails clipped, much overdue, so I'm gonna go do that. We're gonna go do that now, little dog mom duty. You need a good boy. I know. Ooh, come on. We are ready to go. Let's go, buddies. Let's go. Okay. I know. You're so sad that we're going. You don't know where we're headed when I put you in the back seat. You don't know. Like whenever we go anywhere with Bradley, he just sits in my lap in the front, but I don't want him to distract me while I drive, and it's just safer for him to be in the back. So with just me, he goes in the back, but it's okay. We'll get a pup cup after. He'll be fine. He's not so sure where we're headed, but all is well. We're gonna go do that, and then we'll get Starbucks after. Was your pup cup so good? Was that pup cup good? You didn't make a mess, right? I don't think you did. I think you kept it pretty clean. Was it delicious? Your nails look so good. Want me to come get you so we can go inside and go potty outside? Want me to come get you out of the back seat? Your nails look good. The lady couldn't file them because you were dramatic, but you got a pup cup anyways because you're a good boy. Okay, I'm home. Oakley did good getting his nails trimmed. We were gonna get them filed too, but he was like no to the files, so just got him trimmed, but better than nothing. We got our Starbucks. He ate his pup cup and actually didn't make a mess in the back seat. Thank goodness. I got a pink drink. And now I'm gonna open up a rug that I got in the mail today, because I don't remember what I picked, like which one I ordered, so we're gonna look at it, and Oakley wants to come inside. Oh. It's like kind of gray. I had no idea what to expect. What are you doing? What are you doing on it? Give me sugar. No, you're gonna rub your forehead on it? Give me sugar. I love you. You love it? How do you like it? How do you like this rug? What do you think of it? What do you think? So I'm sitting here trying to get this rug to like flatten because this side's really like curled up from the where it was rolled on that thingy. So I'm trying to get it to flatten, but here it is. Cute. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for Bradley to get home, and we're gonna go out to eat for dinner tonight because I don't feel like cooking. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know it was a very chill at home, just day in my life, doing stuff around the house. But make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see all the Halloween candy updates, because we will see if people were exaggerating or being like, you're not gonna have enough candy, and we for real won't. Follow me there and I'll keep you updated. But make sure to check out White Fox for the coziest fall winter sets and so much more cute items. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.